Good morning, everybody. Actually, I guess it's afternoon now, right? Anyways, I thought why not have some fun today and try out some different diffuser blends. So I was gonna do, I think, cinnamon crisp, but I decided that I didn't want to do that today. I'm gonna do something different. So I think the one that I picked is it's called Sweater Weather, because right now, even though it's starting to get sunny outside, as you can see, we've had a lot of rain lately. So I thought it would be appropriate to do sweater weather. And plus yesterday I did a lot of baking, so my house smelled amazing, like apples all day. So I wanted to change up a little bit of the smell. So I want you to see, I've got this really cool book that I bought at convention at the swag store this year. And so let me see if I can figure out how to swap this. There we go. Okay, so this is a really cool book. I mean, it's just like, okay, you want to have oils, diffuser blends for December, February, whatnot. It goes through every month of the year. It gives you oils to substitute with. So if you don't have, lemon, you could use, what does it say? Lime or grapefruit or wild orange. If you don't have lemongrass, you can use cilantro or melissa. So it gives you some different substitutes there. Tells you maybe what to do for school, if you need to study, or if you need to just buckle down, get your homework done. It is just such a cool book. Goes into mood. So let's take a peek. Oh, look at that, anxious. Who isn't anxious sometimes, right? So if you need to calm down, if you need to put your big girl panties up or pull up your big boy pants, things of that nature, pretty cool. So today what we are going to do, it's page 41. We're doing October, right? So I'm gonna do, sweater weather. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do today. So right behind me is my diffuser here in my office. So I already got the oils sitting there ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my diffuser ready here. And you just fill up the diffuser with water to the line, right? Get it up to that little line there. And then let's see if I can, maybe I'm gonna set this down. Set this down for a second. Nope, that's not working out. Okay. See if I can open these up with one hand and manage to do this. All right, so it called for 2 drops of wild orange. 1, 2. Then it called for 1 drop of juniper berry. So we're gonna do that next. So 1 drop, and then 1 drop of cedar wood. You do that. Cedar wood's a little thicker, so it takes a second longer to come out. 1 drop of that. And then 2 drops of clove oil. So let's see, that's a picture of my grandma. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so 2 drops of this. 1, 2. And then put the lid on it. Put the beautiful cover on and turn it on. And voila, there goes the mist. All up in my beautiful space here in my office. So that is my diffuser blend of the day. I hope everybody has an awesome day today, and get out those oils and tell me what you're diffusing today. That'd be super fun. Hi, honey. Bye-bye.